Welcome to Classy Mature, where elegance and confidence never go out of style. Today we introduce Dolly, better known as Dolly Bird 69, a dazzling mature woman over 60 who lives life to the fullest and proves that age is just the beginning of a new adventure. With 295 posts, 87.1k followers, and an undeniable charisma, Dolly has embraced every chapter of her life. From her days as a flight attendant, Ibiza bar worker, and general good time girl, to her current role as a content creator inspiring fans worldwide. Known for her love of stockings, heels, and short skirts, Dolly's fashion sense exudes confidence and charm, reminding us that dressing to impress is always in style. Married, mature, and full of fun, Dolly brings energy and passion to everything she does, creating a vibrant space that celebrates individuality and joy. Whether she's sharing her radiant smile or embracing life's little luxuries, Dolly shows that beauty and confidence truly shine with age. Don't miss out. Like, comment, and subscribe to Classy Mature for more inspiring stories of timeless style and empowering women everywhere.